Hey guys, it's Pezi. Welcome to my YouTube channel, creating menus in Unity. How to create quick and easy menus for your game in Unity. Before we start, we want to make sure this video is as fast as possible. So I'm going to be doing plenty steps, and I might not be seeing all of them, but I'm going to also post the link in the description to get the project files and the notepad file, that's text file, so you see each of the steps and follow them accordingly with the video. So let's get right into it. Create a scene, save as menu, add a panel and rename the panel to background so that you know that that's the background of the menu. Then change this image to a sprite 2D and UI so that you can use it as the background image for your panel. So once we do that, apply. Don't worry, all this. So go to the background, drag this and drop, increase the alpha. Now we have this ox blood, can I say my room background. Then we're going to add a button, not just a normal button with a text mesh pro. It's actually to import, so quickly press import, and that should be done in seconds. And then resize your button to any size that fits the game you're trying to make. Okay, so once you resize it, remember to alt and then make sure it's in the center. Then let's rename this to play. Our menu is going to have play, options, and quit. So for now, when you change this to play, change the text to play. Then we can now edit our text to fit our taste. Let's change this back to white. Then we're going to use a color gradient, so we check gradient and then we change this color to say yellow. Let's say yellow, yes, yellow. And copy this here. You can tweak your gradient and then you want to tweak them, but I'm just going to go for some kind of golden color. Yeah, that's what I'm going for. This yellow here is too. Yeah, that's what I'm going for. So yeah, that should do it. I'm going to increase the size, say 60. Yeah, that's large. 50, 40. I'll do 40. Then I'm going to add outline and add underlay. Thickness should be we go here. Drop shape here, as I want it to be. Then I don't like this white background of the button, so I'm going to remove this. Let's resize this once again. Then set it to the menu. Yes, it's coming into shape. Then you click on your button. This is the text of the button, this is the button. So you reduce the alpha, yeah, and you get that your place. So we're going to go to the button again. Tap on the button, scroll down, you're going to see button. Yeah, interactable means the effects that the button will show on click and the other events. So we're going to target graphic, means which game object, which graphic are we targeting on click. That's the highlighted color, the pressed color for all these animations. So we're going to put text, since we're not using the buttons graphic, we're using the text. So on clicking the text, the pressed color should show yellow, yeah, and then highlighting should just show red. Can we see that? Red. Let's check. Highlighting should just show red. Highlighting should just show red. Highlighting should just show, okay. Highlighting is showing red. But click, it turns yellow. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. But instead we're going to go with the default. So we're going to reset this, then drag this back in. Then we're going to duplicate this 1, 2. Then we'll save this as options. Then also save this as quotes. Now we're going to change their text separately to fit the descriptions. This is quotes. Yeah. We're going to arrange them. Let's take play up a little bit. Take play up options. And then quit. Okay, now we have play option for quit arranged clearly. This is looking good. Congratulations, guys. We've gotten a good menu. Next thing we're gonna do is we're going to create an options menu. we're going to create two empty objects. That's one, and this is two. The first one, we're going to name it main menu, and the next one, we're going to name it options menu. Options menu. So we're going to drag play, options, and quit into the main menu, as those are the buttons that are in the main menu. So that we off this, everything goes okay, great. Then we're going to duplicate. We're going to bring the options here. And we're going to bring the quit here too. Then drag and drop all this in the options menu, so that when we off the main menu, we have these, and we're going to edit this to be a fixed options menu. So we're going to remove the button, okay, drag this up a little bit, then resize this. Let's resize this. Let's use the scale and say 0.7, 0.7, 0.7. And this should be back. Let's go back from the options, change this to back. Yes, then we can put whatever setting you want to put in the options menu. But now we off the options menu, the background of the menu is blank. But then we on the main menu bar, we see that we have play, options, and quit. So we can switch between these two. So since we have these, next is we're going to create another scene. Right click in project, create another scene, and name this game. So when we press play, we go to the game. So we're going to copy the background. Let's copy everything from here, then go to the game. Now we're in the game scene. Let's paste. And we're going to copy the canvas and the event system, then go to the game scene, paste. Okay, now we're going to change this and say game. See, welcome to my game. Yes, so we're going to set this to the center. Yes, so when you press play, it takes you to this game and it says welcome to my game. So we're going to add all this to the build index, so that when we want to build, it's going to show when we want it to show. So build settings, we add open scenes. We have added the menu, or we double tap open the game and also add the game. That's what we're doing. So I've added the game. So we have the game scene and the menu scene. So the script is in our description. The link in the description, a very easy script, nothing too much. We have the play method, we have the options method, we have the back from options method, and we have the quit method. We declare public game objects to get the main. Let's go back to the menu side. We'll see what we're talking about. In the script, we said main menu game object and options game object. That is the main menu game object and the options game object. So on pressing play, it will load the scene game, and we have named as scene game. You have to make sure this word is the same with the word here in the script. Options, when we click on options, set active false for main menu, meaning it will turn on the main menu and then turn on the options menu, which is true. That's clearly off in the main menu and turning on the options menu on clicking options. So we're going to assign each of these methods to each of these buttons as events. So let's start with the. Before we do this, we have to create another empty game object. Create the menu manager, which will hold the script in the game, so that we can use the script. So we drag the menu and drop it here, and it's asking us for main menu game object and options game object. So we drag the main menu in, and we drag the options menu in. So now we can add events to the buttons and help them do what we want them to do. So we're going to highlight all the buttons, select all the buttons, sorry. So we have the back, quit, options, and play. So we're going to go down to button. We're going to go down to button. We're going to see on click. This is an event. On click is empty, so we're going to just add one for each of them. So we're going to click play alone on click. We're going to drag the menu manager in, and then select the function. Go to menu, which is the name of our script menu. And what do we want play button to? We want play button to run the play method. So we drag and set that. We'll do the same for the rest options. We drag the menu manager in, which is from the hierarchy. menu, then we go to options, then we go to quit, and we do the same thing. Menu, the name of our script, quit, the name of the function. We go to back and drag the menu manager in, then we go to the function, menu script. We look for back from options because that's what we saved it as the name of the city. That was the name of the function in the script. So now that we have set all those, all that's done, that's clearly all we have to do. So now we're going to run again and let's see if it's working right. So let's maximize and play, and let's go. So on clicking play, we can press play and it says welcome to my game. That's great. Now let's restart and then press options and let's see if options take us to the options menu. Okay, we click on options, yeah, and options take us to the options menu, and we click on back and it takes us back to the menu. So that is all, guys. The quit button won't work because we are still on the Unity engine, but if you actually respond to this and check it on your system or your phone, the quit button is actually going to close the application, as the quit button has the quit function, which is from the application class in the Unity packages. So thank you guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content, and also comment down for the tutorials that you need. Thank you, bye, see you guys later.